Yeah. I mean, the number of customers that I think if I would have shown something like this to and said, hey, it takes 6 months before you're going to get your first close one deal. And they're like, oh shit, well, I need 12 close one deals by month 4. And it's like, well, this is not a good fit.
Yeah.
You can go find magic beans elsewhere.
Or you say, well, look, I'll stay over the weekend to build out the templates, your scripts. I will work those extra hours to get you to a deliverable by 4 months. But it also means that you need to buy twice as many seats because here's the yield. So if we want to get to that timeline working backwards, I'll stay late. We'll do a rush order and you'll buy twice as many seats. It won't be as efficient as normal, but it will get you to your deadline and make you look good. Thank God we had this conversation. So that's absolutely a real case of resetting those buyer expectations, and you can conceivably get more money out of them if they're actually driven by something important.